Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk through how to set up international shipping on Shopify, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So we are going to set up our international shipping. So it is really a simplest way I am going to show you. So you just need to visit onto the setting. Once you click over here, then here you had a couple of options, as you can see it. So in the row in the middle you will find your shipping and delivery. Just select this one. Once you select over here, then here you can see we have so much options, like you can see it. So here you just need the options. In the top you will find out that is shipping. So here you can manage where you want to ship and how much you will be charged on per shipping. So you just need to select this one. Once you click over here, then here you can see this is the fulfillment locations. So here if you want to add an international shipping, so here you can see we already created an international shipping. How we could do it? So here you just need to be, let's remove this one, and here you can see we already deleted. So I will click on add locations, and then I will search for United States. So if I will not find out this one, then I'll click on add shipping zone, and then I will select all of this country as an international level shipping zone. So I will select all of them one by one. So here you can see it. Like, let's unselect this one. Okay, let's select this one, and let's go and give a name that will be international. So it's totally depend on you which country you want to add on your international zone. So here you have all this authority to do your thing. Then when you find out that all are done, just click on done, and here you can see our international has been added, and now you just need to be added rate. So let's add a rate that will be $25, and then you just need to add a name, rate, and or you can write it shipping cost, and then hit done, and eventually you can see our international shipping cost has been added, and our international shipping also enabled in our Shopify store. It is so much easy. I hope now you understand how easy the process was. If you loved this video and if you found out this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.